Sabi dito, I can't stop thinking about you. Okay? What else? And then, you were the best thing in my life. You were the best thing in my life. What else? I wish I had treated you better. So, may pagsisisi rin sa situation na to. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo is parang yung sobrang pagmamahal, parang take for granted na lang kayo ng person ninyo. And then, siguro, some of you is nasawa na sa ganung situation. Kasi someone is very independent person dito, kaya lang sobrang magmahal. And siguro, sobrang love yung binigay niya dun sa person niya. And then, hanggang sa nakaisip na lang na